Do you keep hitting enter and sending messages too early? In this video, I will show you how to stop sending messages by accident on Line app by disabling enter to send. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Line app. You'll move to this sign of settings. You'll find this page. You will go to this window of chats. You will enter to your chats. Then here in this page of chats, what you will have is send messages with return key. So you will click here to disable this feature of send messages using the enter key, as you see. So you can stop sending messages by accident on Line app. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to